In 2026, humanity finds itself at a transformative juncture, sparked by the astonishing detection of mysterious signals originating from the Gliese 581 star system, approximately 20 light-years away from Earth. This groundbreaking discovery ignites a fervor that captures the imagination of scientists, researchers, and the public alike, as the signals, characterized by intricate patterns and complex frequencies, hint at the possibility of intelligent extraterrestrial life. For decades, the quest for understanding life beyond our planet has been a tantalizing dream, and now, it seems, the universe has responded in a way that challenges our understanding of existence itself. As news spreads, research institutions and universities mobilize into action, forming unprecedented collaborations among astrophysicists, linguists, mathematicians, and computer scientists, all eager to decode the signals that may hold the key to interstellar communication. The atmosphere is electric, charged with a palpable sense of urgency and possibility, as researchers employ cutting-edge technology and advanced algorithms to analyze the incoming data, meticulously searching for patterns that could reveal the intentions of the sender. The world watches in awe as press conferences bring updates, and social media platforms explode with hashtags like ALIENCONTACT2026, igniting discussions that traverse the boundaries of science, philosophy, and culture. Amid this excitement, skepticism lingers. Some scientists caution against jumping to conclusions, arguing that the signals could be natural phenomena, pulsars or quasars emitting regular bursts of energy. The debate intensifies within academic circles, where experts dissect each piece of data, weighing the evidence for and against the possibility of extraterrestrial intelligence. As the months unfold, a growing sense of urgency grips the scientific community, leading to tireless efforts to decode the signals, which appear to contain mathematical sequences that might represent a form of communication. Based on universally understood concepts, a pivotal breakthrough occurs when Dr. Maria Alvarez and her team announce that they believe they have decoded a portion of the signals, revealing a sequence that mirrors the Fibonacci sequencing occurrence found throughout nature, and often associated with harmony and beauty. This revelation sends shockwaves through the scientific community, reigniting public interest and sparking a renewed sense of hope about the implications of such a discovery. If these signals are indeed a form of communication, it suggests that the sending civilization possesses a level of intelligence that understands universal mathematical concepts, raising profound questions about the nature of intelligence itself. As excitement mounts, governments around the world begin to mobilize, convening emergency meetings to discuss the ethical considerations of sending a response. Should humanity attempt to reach out, what message would accurately reflect our species? These discussions are intense and complex, involving philosophers, scientists, and politicians who weigh the potential consequences of reaching out to an unknown civilization. The cultural landscape shifts dramatically in response to this newfound interest in the cosmos, with public fascination leading to a surge in funding for space exploration. Schools worldwide introduce new curricula centered on astronomy and cosmology, nurturing a new generation eager to explore the vastness of space. The arts flourish as filmmakers, writers, and musicians draw inspiration from the unfolding narrative, leading to a renaissance of creativity that permeates society and encourages artistic expression. As summer approaches, scientists detect a follow-up signal that appears to respond directly to the previous analysis, heightening the anticipation. This new signal is more intricate, incorporating both mathematical sequences and what seems to be an artistic representation, transmitted in binary code. The world holds its breath as researchers work around the clock to decode this latest development, with many speculating whether it might be an invitation for dialogue between civilizations. The excitement culminates in a global event where scientists present their findings to the public, and millions tune in as experts share their analysis. The images projected onto screens depict intricate designs that suggest a civilization rich in culture and creativity. the realization dawns that these signals are not mere scientific data. They represent a glimpse into the lives of beings who, like us, seek connection and understanding within an expansive universe. In the days that follow, discussions about potential communication strategies intensify. Humanity is faced with profound questions. How do we convey our existence and values to another intelligent species? Should we express our curiosity, fears, or hopes? Teams of linguists and cultural anthropologists collaborate to craft a message that encapsulates the essence of humanity, striving to represent the diversity of experiences and perspectives that define our species. As autumn descends, the world prepares for what may be the most important moment in human history. In a highly publicized event, scientists unveil their proposed message, a carefully crafted transmission that combines mathematical concepts, imagery, and a brief introduction to humanity. The message is imbued with symbols of peace, cooperation, and a desire for understanding, embodying the collective hopes of a species yearning for connection. Humanity collectively holds its breath as the transmission is sent into the cosmos, a beacon of hope directed toward the stars. The response is immediate and overwhelming. Social media erupts with reactions ranging from excitement and anxiety to philosophical musings about the future of humanity in the grand tapestry of the universe. World leaders address their nations, urging common unity in the face of this unprecedented moment. Public gatherings take place worldwide, where people come together to share their thoughts and emotions, united by the shared experience of anticipation and hope for the future. As the months pass, the world reflects on the ramifications of this momentous event. The signals have sparked scientific inquiry and ignited a global conversation about existence, purpose, and our place in the universe. Humanity begins to recognize that the quest for knowledge transcends borders and beliefs, as the potential for connection with another intelligent species serves as a powerful reminder of our shared humanity and the bonds that unite us all. In a twist of fate, only a few weeks later, scientists detect yet another signal, a direct response to the message sent months prior. The world watches in awe as researchers analyze the incoming data, revealing a series of mathematical patterns and a visual representation that mirrors the designs previously sent. The implications of this discovery are staggering. Not only have we made contact, but we are now engaged in a dialogue, exchanging ideas and creativity across the vastness of space. As 2026 draws to a close, humanity stands forever changed. The events of the year mark a turning point in our understanding of life and the universe, sparking a renaissance of exploration, collaboration, and creativity that unites people around a common goal to seek knowledge and connection. The world is no longer just a collection of nations and cultures. It has become part of a larger cosmic community. Each passing day brings new excitement as researchers prepare for the next steps in this ongoing dialogue, eager to uncover the mysteries that lie ahead. The journey has only just begun, and humanity is ready to embrace the challenges and wonders that await. The stars are no longer distant points of light. They are invitations to explore, to connect, and to dream of a future where we are not alone in the universe. As 2027 dawns, people from all walks of life gather in cities, parks, and online forums, reflecting on what it means to be part of a shared cosmic journey. They engage in discussions that transcend cultural and political boundaries, pondering the philosophical implications of their newfound knowledge. Conversations about ethics, cooperation, and the responsibilities of advanced civilizations take center stage, fostering a sense of unity among people who, just months ago, may have lived in isolation from one another. In schools, children are inspired to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM fields. Young minds are captivated by the idea of exploring distant worlds, and educational programs adapt to encourage creativity and critical thinking. Universities expand their astronomy and astrobiology departments, nurturing a new generation of explorers who will continue the work of their predecessors. The dream of interstellar travel ignites imaginations, prompting discussions about the technological advancements needed to make such journeys possible. Meanwhile, the world's leaders recognize the need for international collaboration. A summit is convened, bringing together heads of state, scientists, and representatives from various cultures to discuss the future of humanity in light of these revelations. The summit becomes a historic event, symbolizing the global commitment to scientific exploration and peaceful communication. As leaders sign agreements to share knowledge and resources, a renewed sense of hope fills the air, a hope that transcends borders and unites humanity in a common purpose. As the dialogue with the extraterrestrial civilization deepens, scientists begin to explore the potential for sharing knowledge and technology. Could this advanced civilization offer insights into energy production, sustainable living, or even medical advancements? The possibilities are tantalizing, and researchers work tirelessly to draft proposals for collaboration. The prospect of learning from another intelligent species prompts profound discussions about ethical considerations and the responsibilities that come with such knowledge. The cultural impact of the signals continues to resonate as artists, writers, and musicians draw inspiration from the unfolding narrative. New genres of literature and film emerge, exploring themes of connection, identity, and the search for meaning in a universe filled with possibilities. Art exhibits showcase works that reflect humanity's relationship with the cosmos, inviting viewers to contemplate their place in the grand scheme of things. The collective imagination is ignited, leading to a wave of creativity that permeates every aspect of society. As 2027 progresses, humanity begins to adapt to its new reality. The signals have not only enriched scientific inquiry, but have also fostered a sense of global solidarity. People unite in efforts to address pressing challenges, such as climate change, poverty, and inequality, recognizing that the survival of their species may depend on their ability to work together. The awareness of a larger cosmic community serves as a catalyst for change, prompting individuals to reevaluate their priorities and consider the interconnectedness of all life. In this evolving landscape, the question of how to communicate with the extraterrestrial civilization becomes increasingly important. Scientists and linguists develop new methods to encode messages that encapsulate the richness of human experience. These messages incorporate not only mathematical concepts, but also artistic expressions, cultural narratives, and philosophical musings. The goal is to create a holistic representation of humanity, one that honors the diverse perspectives that shape our existence. As the year draws to a close, the world stands united in anticipation of the next signal. The hope for continued dialogue fuels a sense of purpose, as people from all walks of life contribute to the ongoing exploration of the cosmos. The prospect of forging connections with other intelligent beings inspires a renewed commitment to understanding and embracing one another. Even amidst the complexities of human society, in the final days of 2027, scientists detect yet another signal, this time more intricate than any they have encountered before. The world watches in awe as researchers analyze the incoming data, revealing not only mathematical patterns, but also a series of visual and auditory elements that evoke emotion and artistry. The realization dawns: these beings are not only intelligent, they are creative, expressing their identity through a shared language of art and science. As humanity prepares for its next steps, the dialogue with the extraterrestrial civilization becomes a symbol of hope, unity, and the potential for collaboration across vast distances. The quest for knowledge and understanding transcends borders, fostering a sense of shared purpose among all people. The stars are no longer distant points of light. They are beacons of connection, inviting humanity to explore, learn, and dream of a future where the cosmos is not just a backdrop, but an integral part of our shared story. In this new era, the journey toward understanding is just beginning. Humanity embraces the challenges and wonders that lie ahead, ready to forge new paths in the exploration of the universe. With each signal received and every message sent, the connections between worlds deepen, illuminating the boundless possibilities that await those who dare to reach for the stars. The realization that we are not alone fills hearts with hope, and a collective yearning for knowledge propels humanity forward into the unknown. eager to uncover the mysteries that lie beyond the horizon of our understanding. The universe, once an enigmatic expanse, is now seen as a vast tapestry, woven with the threads of countless civilizations, each with their own stories, struggles, and triumphs. As humanity stands at the threshold of this new chapter, the possibilities are endless, and the future brims with potential, urging us to explore the depths of our curiosity and the breadth of our compassion as we embark on this unparalleled journey together. As the years progress, the dialogue with the extraterrestrial civilization becomes a defining aspect of human identity, reshaping our understanding of ourselves and our relationships with one another. The very act of reaching out, of extending a hand across the void of space, becomes a testament to our shared aspirations and dreams, reminding us that, in the grand scheme of existence, we are all interconnected. The challenges that once seemed insurmountable begin to appear more manageable as nations work together, combining resources and knowledge to tackle issues that affect the planet and its inhabitants. The hope that arises from the prospect of interstellar communication fosters a spirit of collaboration that transcends borders, encouraging humanity to forge a collective path toward a brighter future. As we continue to receive signals, each more complex and nuanced than the last, we are reminded that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end. With every discovery, we gain insight not only into the lives of others, but also into our own humanity. The questions we ask and the answers we seek become richer and more profound as the tapestry of existence unfolds before us, revealing the interconnectedness of all life. In this enduring quest for understanding, we learn to embrace the unknown, to celebrate the diversity of thought and experience that shapes our world, and to recognize the beauty in our shared existence. The prospect of communicating with other intelligent beings inspires us to reflect on our values, ethics, and responsibilities, urging us to consider how we can contribute to a universe that is as vast as it is mysterious. As we move forward, guided by the light of discovery and the hope of connection, humanity prepares to step into a future that holds the promise of adventure, learning, and profound transformation. A future where we are not merely observers of the cosmos but active participants in the unfolding story of existence itself. With each passing day, the journey deepens, and the possibilities expand, beckoning us to explore further, to dream bigger, and to unite in our shared quest for understanding, meaning, and connection in an ever-expanding universe.